Yes, we'll lastly eat some ackee with corned pork. Now these are the list of ingredients that I have to make my ackee and corned pork. We have ackee, we have the corned pork, we have some tomato, onions, scallions, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme, and we have some black pepper. We're going to rinse the pork and place it in the water. I'm going to let this boil for like 15-20 minutes. So now I'm going to drop the pork in the pot. To the same pot, I'm going to add my garlic, pepper, thyme leaf. Then in with scallion and onion. Going in with some tomatoes. Yes, the flavor will in our table because we use the fat to fry up the fat from the pork to fry up the seasoning. I remember there was some bits and pieces inside the pot. The ackee. I'm going to add some black pepper to that. Then I'm going to go in and shake it and see. You can pluck. This is sad. Alright, now going with my spatula. Oh my god. At this point, I don't know what to do. See with me, huh?